back working on the Supra today. We're just tying up all the little small things. We got this stupid connector in there. We got to get our intercooler piping on there. Fill it up with some more fluids. Put our intake manifold on and stuff, and we should be good to rip. And then just gotta double check all our torque and stuff. So yeah, pretty exciting. Been a few days since we've had the Supra in the shop. Got it running. I tried to drive it home that night. I got a little excited and forgot to put a hose clamp on my intercooler hose on the bottom, so that wasn't good. And then I also had a coolant leak, and so the ECU kept cutting out on me. It just shut off a few times on the way home. And the other thing is I have to jump the fuel pump connector in the OBD1 testing, the FP pin, I believe. It wouldn't work if I went from B+, which is supposed to be battery positive, inside the OBD tester thing. But if I went straight to FP from the battery, it would work. And so I've been having to do that to make it run. But yeah, we've been getting there. I've had it at home, just in our garage, working on it. I had a misfire on cylinder 1 just from it not being pressed down all the way. I fixed all of our leaks. Doesn't leak any coolant anymore. Leaks a little bit of oil just off the plug. I think something's not sealing there, but everything else is sealed. It sounds great, runs great. Just got to figure out some of our electrical problems. But yeah, I'd like to thank Hayden too. He's been super helpful in helping me get that thing running, so I super appreciate him. He's a good guy. And yeah, stay tuned. I should get that thing going. I got a whole sound system for it. I'll do a video on that. Hayden will probably be there too. He has experience with doing sound stuff. I'm gonna sub more speakers. That'll be cool. And then I might wrap it. We will see. I might or might not. I don't know. Still deciding. If I should wrap it, let me know what color I should wrap it. And if you want to buy me a wrap, that would be awesome. I'm going to do a few other videos here soon. I think I'd like to just like talk a little bit more about just talking. Just talk. Just yap a little. And then also like what my goals are with the Supra, what my goals are with the truck, what my goals are just with my business. Introduce myself a little bit more. Talk about stuff like that, just to build a little identity. Truth Motorworks, you already know. But that car sound good. But yeah, we're getting there. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see I'm really open to anything. So, adios.